Hepinize merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle Game of Thrones çekeceğim. İstemiştiniz Game of Thrones. Onu çekeceğim şimdi. Evet. Game of Thrones. Evet. Başlayalım. Play. Bölüm 1. Başlayalım. Begin. Diyerek. Hadi. Bundan önce korku videosu, korkmama challenge ve gülmeme challenge çektim. Umarım onları beğenirsiniz. Başlamadı gitti. Ne diyor lan? Ormancı. Evet, başlıyoruz herhalde arkadaşlar. Güzel. İçimizde bir hain olmalı. Of, ata çok güzel. Keşke vermez.
Kingslayer, Ghostbreaker, brought to his knees by the men of the North.
Arkadaşlar bir dakika. Şuradan at yazı ekleyebiliyor muyuz? Bir at yazı ekleyelim. Kontrolle. Çok yanlış yaptık herhalde, bir dakika. Gameplay'den herhalde. Yanlış mı yapıyoruz lan biz? Heh. Tamam. Heh, tamam. Açtık. Tamam, başlayalım. Evet. Bence diyor onlar diyor söylüyorlar diyor. Ormancı şarkısını mı söylüyorlar? Kanlı bir kılıç. Evet, bunu alalım. Alalım.
Make sure it's spotless this time. Lord Forrester won't be happy with blood and brains all.
Oha. Buga gel.
Now that is a proper sword.
Bıçağın içinden geçti beta.
You'll never have a sword like that. I say that as a friend.
Why not? Neden olmaz?
Why not? You don't give swords like that to pig farmers.
I had a hand in it, you know. Hand in what? Capturing him.
He was nowhere near the Kingslayer at the Whispering Wood. He was so drunk he barely made it out of his tent. Next he'll tell us he caught Tyrion too. Shh. Let him finish. Oh, he'll talk all night if you let him.
You captured the Kingslayer. Aye.
Kral oyuncudur.
Had a hand in it.
Ya güzel diyor.
Hand round his ankle as 10 others took him down.
See? What did I tell you?
Brought him to his knees.
Lord Forrester.
But not before he dragged you halfway across the battlefield on your face.
You're questioning Norrin's honor.
I'm questioning Norrin's story. It grows more far-fetched every time he tells it.
Get your liege lord some wine. Go on.
You do it, yapalım diyor.
You do it. You're his squire. It's your job, not mine.
Atmayın, memnun olmayacaksın.
Thank you, Garrett. I'll do it.
Teşekkürler diyor, ben yaparım diyor.
Norrin's family has faithfully served House Forrester for centuries. His honor is beyond reproach. House Tully is forever in his debt. They've never seen a field plowed so well as the day the Kingslayer dragged poor Norrin across the battlefield.
Güzel.
Fetch your cup. Tonight we celebrate.
Bu gece kutlayacağız diyor. Güzel oldu.
To Rob
Ne
Stark,
bitmez şey lan.
the King
Kaç
in the
kişi
North.
oldu?
The King in the North!
Tomorrow we march on Casterly Rock, and House Forrester has been given the greatest honor to lead the Young Wolf's army and ride as the vanguard.
The gods have favored us. Onward to Casterly Rock!
Death to the Lannisters! Aye!
Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Let's hope it waits till this bloody war's over.
Got it.
Gel buraya diyorum. Bizim adımız geri
Yes,
herhalde.
my lord.
I need you to keep an eye out
İhtiyacımız
for
var
Roderick.
diyor Roderick'in
As
götüne
his
diyor.
father, I could not
Baban
be more
diyor.
proud of the man he's become.
Bakalım gelecek diyor.
On a night like this, men find
Bir gece
false
diyor.
courage at the bottom of their course.
Bulacaksın yanlış.
I'd rather he were here.
Yes, my lord.
There's also the question.
Soruma diyor cevap ver diyor.
It's
Beraber.
been on my mind for a while now. Something must be done,
I've done nothing wrong, my lord.
right or wrong. That is for the gods to decide. You've
Güzel
served
karar
House
ver.
Forrester well for several
Orası
years now,
ormancı
but I can't expect you to
şiddetli
squire
de
forever.
sene şu anda diyor.
How shall I reward your loyalty? What can I offer you? You served me well.
To bring honor to House Forrester, my lord.
You have more honor than those who were born to it. There were those who had their doubts
Evet.
when your uncle put forth your name as my squire. But you've erased
Evet
those
arkadaşlar. Bugünlük de bu kadar olsun. Umarım beğenirsiniz. Hepinize görüşürüz. Bay bay.